Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Simzi Says. Today I am here with the easy homemade nuggets recipe. You will need 500 grams of chicken, 2 bread slices, coriander, green chilies, half onion, and for spices salt and pepper. Mixture should look like this. Take it out on the plate and mix it with your hands properly. Apply some oil on the plain surface and place your mixture on it. By this your mixture will not stick on the surface. Now take the mixture and make small balls or any type of shape you want. I am making in a square shape. I am not good on that editing, so please just skip this. For the coating you will need 1 egg and some corn flour and breadcrumbs. First you have to dip in corn flour, then in egg, and after that in the final you have to dip in breadcrumbs. Fry on medium-low flame so it will cook properly inside. Be some gentle and turn the side with very light hand. Take them out on the tissue paper so the excess oil is absorbed. Here your chicken nuggets are ready. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.